Hey guys, looking to stream live on Facebook? I'm going to show you how to do it real simple and real easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's all about streaming on Facebook. We're going to use StreamYard. It's real easy, simple, and number one, it's free. Nothing to download, nothing to set up, no credit card, nothing. Real easy, real simple. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. I do appreciate you tuning in for this. So a lot of people are asking all the time, how do you stream on Facebook? This is a real easy and simple way. Go to streamyardcom and you can open up a stream directly from their site. It's really kind of cool and really kind of simple. Just sign up, real easy. They send you, it's an email, they send you a code, and that's it. There's no fancy footwork, there's no credit cards, there's nothing. It's totally free. You do have some limitations, of course, and you can do a buy plan if you want to, but if you just want to do a quick stream, you want to do some streaming really cheap and inexpensively, and free is pretty cheap in my book. So pretty easy. So all you have to do is, like I said, go to StreamYard, sign up for the account, and once you do, hit on create a broadcast. So once that opens up, you can hit the plus button here if it's not already in your account. So you would click on plus, and then you open up your Facebook group or Facebook page, whatever you have, or YouTube channel, right? Periscope, Twitch, these are all different ones. And once you already have one, I already authenticated my two different accounts. I have a YouTube account and a Facebook account. But all you have to do is once you hit on that, hit accept, authenticate it, and then you're all set to go. And that's really pretty easy. It's all you have to do. It's really, really simple. So all you have to do is once you get done finishing setting up your account, so you go to Facebook, click on add Facebook, right? So you're doing a broadcast from Facebook. That's what you want to do. And title it. So title it, let's just call this just nothing. Fun times, whatever. So that's what you want to call it. And you can put a description. Fun times or whatever. So create broadcast. So go right to create broadcast, and this opens you into the broadcast center. So basically what this does is get you ready to start your streaming, okay, or your broadcast or whatever you're going to be doing. So right here, so you have your audio controls, everything's right here. You can control the audio, your camera. So I have an external Scarlett 2i2. If you haven't checked out that review, check it out. Also on my pages here on YouTube. I'll leave a link there for you as well, so you can take a look at that. And also a audio technical microphone. That's what I'm recording on. So if you can hear the audio and if you like it, check out that review as well. So this is really simple, right? So there you go. So once you have set up your preferences, and it's pretty easy. So enter broadcast studio. So basically this takes you into the broadcast studio. So you're almost ready to go live. Take a look at the right hand side here. So once you're all set to go, this is going to go live once you're ready. So what you want to do is click off that and then add stream. Okay, so I removed the video, but you can put the video on, video off. There's my review channel, right? And there's a confirmation of the audio. You can see that thing bouncing around. So you can turn the video on. You want to do an external source. You can share your screen. Share screen. All you do is click on share. All right, then you can open up your website. You can do anything you want. It's really pretty easy. This is really basic 101. Put your photo on, put your mic on, and do a stream. You want to do a podcast, you want to sell something, you want to just do anything whatsoever. It's really super simple. It's simple as this. So once you get everything ready, okay, so you can put your name here. You can put all you do is go to banner. You can hit the ticker. So I added your review channel. That's a ticker. Here's a banner. Right? So you can do all these different things. It's really, really kind of cool. This is super simple to do, honestly. But basic 101. Let's not get overloaded. Let's not go crazy. Let's keep it real simple. I want to broadcast. I want to stream. Hit go live, right? So hit go live. And basically, in a few seconds, you will be broadcasting from StreamYard, okay, to your Facebook page, just like that. Super simple. So now it says it's actually broadcasting. So if you want to see if it's broadcasting, real simple, click on that. Okay, so click on your Facebook page, right? So, and then you can see here, you can edit, you can remove, so you can view on Facebook. So click on view on Facebook. It's going to bring up your Facebook page, right? Wherever it is, your group or your page or whatever. And it's going to pull it in live. Boom. And here it is. So this is being streamed right now on my Facebook page. You can see it. This is my Facebook page. You can see it. It's being streamed right now. That's how simple it is. I want to keep it real basic or real simple. Get your image, get your audio, get yourself on Facebook. This is the way to do it. StreamYard.com. Awesome. All right, guys, just want to bring this really quick tutorial how to do it. Real simple. And when you're done streaming, just end broadcast, and that's it. And you can just say it's great because it was great. Send feedback if you want to. And that's it. All right, guys, just want to bring this video to you really quick. Basically how to stream something really quick and easy on Facebook. Also, YouTube does the same thing. So I'll make a quick video for that as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. I appreciate your time as always. If you have any questions or comments, leave down below. If you're having any trouble, let me know. Like I said, this is pretty easy. As easy as you're going to find. And if you want to upgrade and get better and more, I guess I have a paid plan. You can get into that as well. But me, I'm all about the free, and free is for me. All right, guys, that's it for me. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.